Welcome back to Passion Struck Clips, where we explore the depths of personal growth and share valuable insights to help you navigate life's uncharted path. Today, I'm going to explore how to become a multipotentialite within. In a world that often emphasizes specialization and singular career paths, there are individuals who defy these traditional molds and thrive on their diverse array of interests and talents. These individuals are known as multipotentialites, people who possess a unique gift of excelling in multiple areas and pursuing various passions throughout their lives. If you've ever felt a deep connection to a wide array of subjects, struggled to choose just one path, or found joy in seemingly blending unrelated skills, you might just be a multipotentialite. Let's explore some telltale signs that can help you understand whether this label resonates with you. First, you like a broad spectrum of interests, which span across different domains from arts and sciences to sports and technology. You're never content limiting yourself to just one area. Second, rapid skill acquisition. You have a knack for quickly learning new skills, often becoming proficient enough to engage in meaningful activities in a shorter time than most. Third, restlessness with specialization. The idea of dedicating your life to a single pursuit feels stifling. You crave diversity and fear the monotony of hyper-specialization. Fourth, eternal curiosity. Your appetite for knowledge is insatiable. You find yourself engrossed in books, courses, and subjects that span a wide array of subjects. Fifth, indecision over ambitions. When asked about your future goals, you struggle to provide a singular definitive answer due to the multitude of aspirations and dreams that you hold. Sixth, fluid transitioning. Moving from one area of interest to another feels natural to you. You're adaptable and thrive in environments that allow for shifting focus. 7. Multiple simultaneous pursuits. You're the embodiment of multitasking, often juggling several hobbies, projects, or side hustles concurrently. 8. Innovative synthesis. You excel at blending your diverse skills, creating innovative solutions that draw from multiple fields and surprise those around you. 9. Thriving in challenges. You're invigorated by challenges that necessitate the application of different abilities. Problem solving across multiple domains excites you. 10th, defying labels. Traditional job titles and career paths may not encompass your full range of capabilities. You embrace a nonlinear trajectory. 11, spotting connections. You effortlessly identify connections and patterns between seemingly unrelated concepts, using insights from one domain to enrich another. 12th, entrepreneurial instincts. The idea of starting your own ventures, where you can harness your various talents freely, resonates deeply within you. If these signs strike a chord within you, the multipotentialite label might illuminate a crucial aspect of your identity. Embracing your multipotentiality can lead to a fulfilling journey where you leverage your diverse abilities, a unique path that's authentically you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our 3 channels for more insightful content on personal mastery and navigating life's journey. I hope you found these insights on understanding whether you're a multipotentialite useful. Until next time, go out there and live life passion-struck.